Hey guys, this is Benjamin and welcome to the introduction to chapter 4, which is 4.1 exponential functions. The exponential function f with base b is defined by f of x is equal to the base b to the power of x. The y values of an exponential function is just the base being multiplied over and over. For example, f of 1 is base to the first power, and f of 2 is base to the second power, base times base. So the x value in exponential functions is just how many times the base is multiplied. However, b needs to be a positive number that is not 1. The reason that b has to be greater than 0 and not 1 is because multiplying 1 over and over would just produce the line of y equals 1. For example, 1 to the power of x would be equal to f of 1 will be equal to 1. So we'll produce a graph like this. So that is not an exponential function. So therefore, the base of an exponential function has to be a value that is not 1. Let's take a look at this practice problem to know what exponential growth looks like. 1 grain of wheat on the first square, 2 grains on the second square, 4 on the third, and 8 on the fourth. So let's mark the number of grains on the squares in this table. So we can see that the values get doubled, which also means multiplied by 2. And let's try graphing it in the graph. So when we connect the dots together in the graph, you can see that the y values are increasing drastically while the x values increase in the same intervals. This is an example of an exponential growth.